Hello and welcome to episode 3 of NoCodeNerd. Follow the hashtag if you want to follow these episodes. I'm having a lot of fun with them. We just talk about awesome no-code tools that I find and I might use on my show and in some of my builds. So cool. Today we are talking about Uizard or Uizard. I think it was meant to... I'm always terrible with pronouncing this one. It's a super cool tool that you can use mobily and in a couple of different ways. This is the tool. Again, as always, I've linked it down below in the description or the comments. Uizard, I'm just going to call it a Uizard, is this wonderful little design tool that you can work with. It's a collaborative design tool, first of all. So you can design apps, design app interfaces, design app prototypes really quickly with your team. As you can kind of see, it shows a bunch of different people collaborating and throwing stuff on to build something really quickly. And look at this. You see this? They're taking pictures on your phone, on your mobile phone, uploading it to Uizard, and it builds wireframes for you, just off of little things that you write on a napkin, right? And I love that because not only does it give you prototyping capabilities while you're on the go, but if you're trying to build an app and it's just an idea that you have, just to get something out there and like just show people what it looks like, you can immediately start testing features, immediately start testing structure. It's beautiful. You can share it with friends and you can start to build stuff from there. Wonderful tool. Mobile accessibility, that's what we have. That's something that I absolutely love, and I'm looking to find more tools that that work like that. But also just like, I love the concept of drawing something on a napkin, throwing it together, and it's real now, right? It's something you can show off, it's something you can prototype, it's something you can use. So, absolutely love it. If you want to start prototyping apps off of some little wireframe ideas that you have on some napkins, use this tool. I absolutely love Uizard. So yeah, link down below. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the next episode.